Hi, my name's Todd Brennan and I'm from Oakland, California. I've always struggled with my fitness and my weight, and in fact I've had issues as far as taking off my shirt. I was embarrassed to do that in public. I have two daughters. I want to be a good role model to them. My energy level was lacking. I tried Weight Watchers and other diet programs and infomercial gadgets and all of the above, and nothing seemed to work. I stumbled across Rob's program and it made sense to me. It seemed easy to follow. The time commitment was minimal. Even with my doubts and my past struggles, I basically went ahead and gave it a shot, purchased the program, and I just liked the way Rob presented it, and it seemed like he was straightforward and honest and somebody that, that I could trust. Once I got the program, I read it from cover to cover right away the same weekend, and I put it right to use, and it was almost immediate that I started feeling the results, and obviously the improvement on my body and my self-confidence. I lost 25 pounds in the first 10 to 12 weeks. I lost over 3 to 4 inches in my waist, so I went from a 36, 37 down to a 33. I basically had major strength gains, and my body fat percentage dropped like 3 to 4%, and continuing to make improvements. It was pretty remarkable to me in terms of the effect that it had with just a minimal effort. I can't say enough that it's been the answer to what I've been looking for. If I can do it, anybody can. I highly recommend it.